Tonight's shocking report, criminal training. Peter, this is supposed to be a happy time, and you're the happy news guy. George, I'm watching real news. You're a nice career-making transition. Band together the shopper, please. That footage is lousy. Nobody would talk to you. Maybe you should wear sensor. Or should I stick a camera in my cap and call it a Santa cam? I like it. You're not serious. Was your idea? Oh, it might be a stupid idea. Christmas through the eyes of Santa. Ho, ho, ho.